vilified in the New York Times, in print, on television, for caving to corporate
The New York
interests.
Times ran a blow-by-blow of what we talked about behind closed doors. You fucked us.
No, you fucked you. Don't invert stuff. Big Tobacco tried to smear Wygand. You bought it. The Wall Street Journal, here, not exactly a bastion of anti-capitalist sentiment, refutes Big Tobacco's smear campaign as the lowest form of character assassination. And now, even now, when every word of what Wygand has said on our show is printed, the entire deposition of his testimony in a court of law in the state of Mississippi, the cat totally out of the bag, you're still standing here debating. Don, what the hell else do you need?
Mike, you tell him.
You fucked up, Don.